Welcome to my channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to be making a scrub, just sugar scrub, period. I'm only going to be adding two other ingredients to the sugar. So one of the ingredients I'm going to be using is, I'm making enough for just one time. Okay, good. I was going to actually warm up the coconut oil, but there's no need because it's already liquid. I have enough liquid in here, so that's good. So what I want to do is to go ahead and measure I'm using brown sugar for this regimen, and I'm using enough for today, just one application. So in this this spoon is, I have 1.5 spoon. This is a 1.5 measurement of sugar right there. 1.5 spoon of sugar right there. I think I have enough for one application. I don't want to use too much, so I'm going to put this back. This is brown sugar right here. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoonful of my olive oil. Because it will create moisture to your skin. So even after you finish washing the whole thing off, see, I have enough liquid in my coconut oil. This is original extra virgin coconut oil. Okay, so I'm going to put this in. I have 1 spoon right there. That's enough. So I'm going to put the rest away. And then the last thing I'm going to be adding to this measurement is my peppermint extract, peppermint drop. So I'm going to put a little bit of drop of peppermint oil. Oops, that's even too much. Okay, so I have enough right there. We'll give it a little boost of smell. Okay, so I have my scrub right here. So if I want, I can actually add a little bit of milk, but I choose not to use milk over that. And another thing I can use is honey, but I'm not going to use honey either. So I'm just going to use this to scrub my face as it is. And when you finish washing your face, you don't need to actually use much moisturizer at the end, because you will have enough fill of oil on your skin. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this video. It's very simple facial scrub. Share this video with everyone. It will help alleviate dead skin from your face. Thank you.